Good morning students. Now see here I have made a structure. Today we will study about liquid and its property. See this is the structure of liquid. This is atom and this is the intermolecular space between the atom, and this arrow represent the intermolecular force between the atom. Okay, so here is first point and this is the second point. So the property of liquid is actually based on these 2 points only. First one is intermolecular space is more than solid. Okay, the intermolecular space is more than solid. Why? Because in structure of solid we will see that these atoms are arranged in a proper manner, not so far. In solid the atoms are arranged very close to each other, because of which the space is very less. Therefore, and here what happens, the space is very large, atoms are arranged a little bit far apart. Second is intermolecular force is weak in comparison to solid. Yes, it is weak. Why? Because the space, when space will be large, then force will be weak. Okay, when space will large, then force will be weak in comparison to solid. Okay, now what? Now we have to study about the general properties. The first one is our liquid has no fixed shape. So yes, the first point is the liquid has no fixed shape. Okay, first one is the first property is the first property is that liquid has no fixed shape, Okay, liquid don't have its own fixed shape. It will take the shape of container. It will take the shape of container. Okay, it will take the shape of container. Why? Because the intermolecular space is very large, because of that force is very weak, so it will not able to hold it in a single place as in solid. Okay, this is solid. In solid we will have a compact shape, a definite shape, but in liquid we will have a shape of the container, because it is in a flowing condition. The space is very large, because of that intermolecular force is weak. So it will take the shape of container. Okay, container means if we will pour it in a glass, it will take the shape of glass. It will pour in the jug, it will take the shape of glass, take the shape of jug, like that only. Okay, so liquid has no fixed shape, it will take the shape of container. Second point is a liquid can be compressed only to a small extent. Okay, liquid can be compressed, but only little bit. Okay, but only little bit. Only little bit compression is allowed in the case of liquid. Okay, it cannot be compressed. Compress means दबाना. Compress mean क्या होता है? दबाना. तो लिक्विड को हम ज़्यादा दबा नहीं सकते, थोड़ा बहुत क्या कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज क्यों थोड़ा बहुत भी होता है लिक्विड में, तो थोड़ा बहुत कंप्रेशन भी नहीं होता सॉलिड में, इसमें लिक्विड में क्यों होता है? क्योंकि सॉलिड में स्पेस ही नहीं होता है, इंटरमोलर स्पेस बहुत कम होता है, जिसकी वजह से हम किसी भी चीज़ को कंप्रेस दबा नहीं सकते. लेकिन लिक्विड में फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत स्पेस होता है, जिसकी वजह से ये कंप्रेस कर जाता है. ओके, बट ओनली अ लिटिल बिट. थर्ड इज अ लिक्विड कैन फ्लो. यस, लिक्विड कैन फ्लो, इट कैन फ्लो ऑल्सो. ओके, इट कैन फ्लो ऑल्सो. ओके, and fourth, a liquid expand or contract more than a solid. A liquid expand or contract more than a solid. Liquid expand and contract more than solid. Okay, more than solid. Okay, so liquid can expand माने क्या? फैलना. contract माने सिकुड़ना. तो liquid can expand and contract more than solid. solid से ज़्यादा. Okay, so these are the properties of liquid. Okay, now we will study about the gases and the activity which is given in your book. You need to study of your own. Okay, because this is very easy chapter. Already I have explained while teaching physics first chapter matter. Okay, so it is very easy. It is very known topic for you all. So you will study about activities. If any problem you can ask me. Okay, now we will study about gases. Okay, in case of gases what happens? The structure is like this. Okay, So space is very large. Space is very large. Okay, is very large, and force is very feeble. Very feeble. Very feeble means very weak. Okay, so force is intermolecular force is also very weak, very feeble, and space is very large. Space is very large. Because of that, what happens? It also possesses few properties. Okay, the first one is gas has neither a fixed volume nor a fixed shape. Okay, first one is gas has neither a fixed volume nor shape. Okay, it has neither a fixed volume nor a shape. It assumes the volume and shape of the container. It also assumes the volume and shape of the container. Suppose like we have a gas filled in a cylinder, so it will take the shape of the cylinder. It is filled over there, filled on it. Gas can be compressed. Okay, second one is gas, it can compressed. Okay, it can compressed to a large extent, okay, to a large extent as compared to solid and liquid. Okay, it can be compressed. Why? Because the space is very large in compared to other states. So that is why it can be compressed. Third, it can expand or contract to great extent on being heat and cooled. Okay, so what happens? It can expand or contract. It can expand and contract also on heating and cooling. Okay, fourth, gases freely mix with one another. Okay, so gases can freely mix with one another. See here, the phenomena is known as diffusion. Diffusion means what? The molecules of gas can easily occupy large intermolecular space or another gas. This phenomena is known as diffusion. The fragrance of perfume spreads by a diffusion of its vapor through air. You can observe the diffusion. Okay, so this is called diffusion. Okay, so what is diffusion? Diffusion means what? Fragrance. Suppose a fragrance of the scent while at one place will be smelled at other place in a room. Okay, it can be smelled in another place in a room. So why we can smell it? Because the in gases the space is very large. The intermolecular the molecules of fragrance will diffuse from one place to other place at a very large extent. So till property of gases we have studied, and next topic we will cover in our next video. So study till here. Okay, and if any problem you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.